slightly pull the panel to the side. Do not pull towards you because there's a prong that latches on the other side of the panel. Twist socket to remove bulb. Incandescent bulb model number 3157. I will be upgrading mine to LED type bulb with the same model number for replacement. Insert LED light bulb back to the socket. If it doesn't work, pull it back out and plug it back in the other way around. Screw the panel back in. Light bulb replacement complete. Thank you all for your support watching this channel. Please subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment.